Cyber Monday, the biggest shopping holiday of the year, is coming in a few days. Several retailers, including Amazon, Best Buy, Target, the Home Depot, Kohl's, Macy's, and Walmart, are currently offering early deals, effectively turning Cyber Week into Cyber Month. Let us check out the sites that offer great deals and whole lot of coupons. The first one is Honey. You can add it to your Chrome as a plugin and it automatically will find and apply coupon codes. For example, when you open a product on Amazon and you have signed up, it will show price drop. Also, you can add a product to drop list, and whenever there is a price change on that product, you will get a notification or an email, saving you big bucks. You can also install it in your mobiles as a Honey app. The next one is Slick Deals. One of the unique things that make Slick Deals a little different from other coupon websites is the emphasis on the community. The latest finds are listed on the front page, and you can also check out the forums for current hot deals and freebies. There is even a section on getting the best price on your next vacation. If you are looking for a particular product, head over to the Help Me Find a Deal forum thread, and members will be happy to help you find the best price. You can shop this holiday season using these sites and get maximum savings. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Happy shopping!